Yeah, they coming. Okay, yes. There's the aggro.
Got one.
That's another team. That's two teams.
Right there, get on the other side of the wall. I see his gun.
Move left inside the building.
One is pushing in, so to res his teammate.
One's here. He ran out here. To your left.
One on me.
She
I
ran
got
out the wall.
Got one on top on the roof. Need help?
Coming. I'm on this side.
Got his third one. Need help? Okay. How is the others? I got three.
Oh, I see one.
Ping.
Here.
Coming up. I think one team down. Can you ping?
Possibly here. Tagged him. Moving team. Left of the box cart. Okay, now one outside the walls.
One near us. Southwest.
One here. Someone's climbing. Got her. One left.
He left. Down below you.
I see him, I see him.
See, res. Here. He's inside there.
Oh, he got me
No.
with the shotgun.
On me. Tagged him once. Killed him.
Nice.
Good shit.
Oh, fucking hell, let's go.
Stressful.
Get lockjaw. Might get her health back.
Yep.
Unless you got remedy. Let's loot them. We might be able to get remedy actually.
What? Yeah, we could get 2 points. That's one there. And that's 2.
I got 4 points.
I think the one team is all the way there. Damn, that was crazy push. I lost a 50 door. Man, the other team I just soloed it. kick.